Hello viewers, thank you for tuning in to Goza TV. I am your host, King Gerald. So today on Child Education, I'll be talking about the relationship between parent and teacher and how it can help the child's well-being and as well their academics. So as a teacher and as a parent, your relationship matters in the life of a child. You both play a very important role in building up that child and also in helping him or her in the academic. You can't tell me I don't like my child's class teacher. As a parent, you say you don't like your child's class teacher and you want your child to improve in his or her academic. There is definitely going to be a loop somewhere. How do you feel that loop? First of all, get a good communication. Have a good communication with your child's class teacher. There should be a good rapport between the both of you. Even as a teacher, if you find out you're not having a good relationship with the parent of a child, you should work towards that because it will help you assist that child the best way you can. What if that child is having emotional trauma or is going through some certain things at home and that child needs to talk to you? Or that child tells you something that is happening at home. How do you relate that same issue to the child's parent? So these are reasons why the relationship between parent and teacher is key in helping a child grow. Even naturally, let's just leave education aside. In the child's whole life, you need your relationship helps that child a lot. So now, when we talk about relationship here between parents and teachers, it doesn't just stick around the school. It goes far as at home. But I think I have issues with some certain teachers. Like in a way, you tend to abuse this relationship in the sense that because you now have good communication with a parent or you get to have a parent's phone number, you then turn yourself to a corporate beggar, which is wrong. You permit me to use that word. Yes, permit me to use that word, corporate beggar. It's not a nice thing to do. You have been opportuned to have a good relationship with a parent. The main purpose is for you to help a child grow. You really don't have a business with the parents per se, because your main purpose in that school or your main purpose being a teacher, your main purpose being a teacher is to serve that child, is to help that child become something better in life. So when you focus your energy on just the parent, when you see the parent, all your attention is, oh, you want to try and get something. Most teachers now don't even go home straight because they have good relationship with their parents. What they do is, after school hours, they have to cut corners. They have to branch to a parent's home before going to their own home, which is wrong. Your relationship with the parent is to assist you or to aid you to help that child grow academically and otherwise. So these are little things we should put in place for us to help the child grow. Now, parents, on the other hand, you can feel relationship with you and you shouldn't have core relationship with you and your child's teacher because you don't really care. Why will I be close with her? Why will I be close with him? He's my child's teacher. Let's just be there. But what do you think? What if something happens to your child? How do you get to know? What if this teacher wants to tell you something important about your child? What if something is happening to your child that you don't know, just the teacher knows? So these are reasons why you should have good relationship with your parents, with your child's teacher. You don't overlook these things. Though they are little, they might not really seem big, but they play a key role in helping a child grow. So we think my child relationship should be strictly should be strictly professional. I agree. Yes, when it comes to teachers and parents, everything should be professional. But in other ways, you could still go other lengths. Teacher, on the other hand, one of the other reasons why you should have good relationship with your child's parents is because you are not staying in a particular school forever. What if you decide to leave where your current place of work and go find work elsewhere? And you get to this place where you want to teach, and or getting to the job interview, or getting to the school for the interview, you find out that one of the parents whom you don't have a good relationship with is in that school. Like maybe from your previous school, the parents transferred to a new school. So what do you think that parents want to talk about you? Do you think that parents want to speak well about you in that school? So this is not just for a short time base. When I talk about relationship between parents and teachers, it's for a long-term base. It's something you would benefit from as a parent. It's something you benefit from as a teacher, and it's something the child will also benefit from. Because on getting to your place of interview and you don't have good communication with this parent, the parent would say it openly, loud and clear, that this teacher can't take my child. And schools of nowadays will tell you, we are not ready to lose a child. We are not ready to lose any parent. So automatically, you might lose that job. So do the right thing at the right time. So take this little advice I have for you as a teacher, as a parent. Learn to have good communication to help your child. Teachers and parents, communication between teachers and parents is key to bringing up a child, helping a child academically. So this is just my few words for you today on child education. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button for more videos on child education. I still remain your host, King Gerald. Till next time, stay blessed.